Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I got a big old box of goodies here. So there's some more ILY Forever Disney doll stuff out, and I decided to indulge myself. Starting with this guy. Of course, they had a boy doll. This is the first and only boy doll they have in the ILY fashion doll size series. So I had to get them. Alright, so that's the first thing in this big old box. Hold on and I'll show you what else I have in here. So I know there are some girl dolls coming out. I believe there's like, I want to say 3 or 4 girl dolls coming out. But so far they have not shown up yet in the States. We just have this guy. His hair's kind of in his way. I hope I fix that when I open him up. It's easy to fix. So anyway, here's this guy. He is, it says Aladdin on here, but as you know, it's supposed to be, you know, just not really exactly Aladdin, but honestly, he kind of looks like him to me. If you look at his face and you look at that, it's more than just a little inspiration here. It kind of looks like exactly like him to me. But all right, let's see what else. I got some fashion packs too. Here's one, super cute. Of course, I had to get the Moana one. Look at that little cute little bathing suit and little poncho. I will do a separate video where I take out the fashion packs and try them on different dolls. I've been doing that for a while. If you follow me, then you probably have seen some of those videos already. I'll take out an ILY or a Barbie fashion pack and then try them on dolls like Blythe, Rainbow High, etc., etc. So we'll see who else fits into this. And believe it or not, I got 2 of these. All right. One is for me and one's for my sister. We are both hoping to have some boy Blythe dolls once I get my act together. And this would be great to fit on a boy doll, a boy Blythe doll. Look at that. So this is obviously Beauty and the Beast. This is the Beast type of inspiration here. That jacket looks really cool. Those jeans, they have a little distressed spot in them. And of course, it says Beast on the t-shirt. So I got 2 of these, one for me, one for her. And this, how cute is this? All right, so this is one of the rides, Haunted Mansion. So yeah, this is, I believe, one of the first fashion packs where they're inspired by one of the rides versus you know, a character. Okay, so had to get this. It definitely gives me you know, vibes related to my Wednesday Addams doll, even though I know supposedly she doesn't wear anything but black or white. My Wednesday does wear purple, and she might be keen on this too. So this is something I got with the idea that my Blythe Wednesday Addams doll would wear this outfit. Fingers crossed it's going to fit her. Alright, so in a future video I will be opening these up and doing some reviews and trying them on different dollies and all that good stuff. Showing you what I think of this guy. He's very, very interesting looking. Yeah, looking forward to checking him out. As usual, please give this a thumbs up, and thanks for stopping by. And of course, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.